Namaste, Suprabhat, good morning. May God bless you all with health and happiness. Om Namah Shivaya. One fine morning, before sunrise, a man was going on a morning walk. Just outside the society park, he noticed a stranger, a tall but very clumsy, peculiar, awkward looking stranger. The man became curious. He went to the stranger and asked him, "Excuse me, where are you from? I have not seen someone like you ever in my life." The stranger smiled very unpleasantly and said, "You do not know me?" We will complete this story just after discussing the fourth step out of 7 steps to build a strong immune system via the path of yoga. And the fourth step is how we deal with our food. If we consider eating as just an act, a mechanical act, and eat unmindfully, we would not be in sync with the nature. Our body will not be able to get all the nutrition from the food and beverages that we eat and drink. हमारे शास्त्रों में लिखा है, it's written in our scriptures that we must consider the act of eating as an act of worship, a yajna, with full mindfulness, devotion, concentration. In terms of what we eat, how we eat, when we eat, in what combination we eat, and in what quantity we eat. Many of our health issues would be taken care of just by this. It is only when we eat incorrectly, then it becomes important for us to do a lot of physical activity, a lot of physical exercise, to digest the wrong food that we have eaten in the wrong manner, in the wrong time, in the wrong combination, and in the wrong quantity. Wrong quantity as in either too less or in excess. Though most of the times it is in excess, overeating. It is also important to understand that when we are eating, how our other 4 senses are functioning. It also matters a lot. We all have noticed that if what we are seeing, smelling, hearing, touching is not pleasant, even the most delicious food that we are eating will not give us satisfaction. Even the most nutritious food that we are eating will not give us nutrition. So, in our journey to build a strong immune system today, primarily we will discuss what not to eat, when not to eat, and how not to eat. Today, in the age of knowledge, we all know that most of our health issues, both in terms of body and mind, are due to overeating. Still, when we start our discussion on food, health, nutrition, immunity, we start discussing on what to eat. Which food will give us the best nutrition, immunity? No. Rather, our discussion should be on what not to eat, when not to eat, and how not to eat. So the first is what not to eat. Any food that is very oily, very spicy, very hot, very cold, very sugary, very salty must be avoided. Non-vegetarian food, alcoholic drinks, and milk products should be avoided. If we are very fond of milk, milk should be avoided in the morning and the curd should be avoided in the evening. Non-seasonal fruits and vegetables should be avoided. packaged food and beverages should be avoided. Now, in terms of when not to eat, we should avoid eating immediately after waking up in the morning. We should avoid eating and drinking in the last 4 hours before going to sleep in the night. Fruits and salads are very important, but they should be avoided immediately after the meal and in the late evenings and night. Ice cream, carbonated drinks should be avoided immediately after the meal. We should avoid drinking water at least 1 hour before and after the meal. And also, we should avoid eating when in stress or when angry. And lastly, how not to eat. We should not gulp our food. Chew each bite at least 32 times. We should not gulp our glass of water or fresh juice. Sip by sip, slowly. And we should also avoid overeating, especially when the food is really tasty. Keep some empty space inside for the digestion to happen properly. If we can take care of these 3 things, what not to eat, when not to eat, and how not to eat, our army, our defense mechanism, our immune system would be rock solid. Now let's come back to the story. The man asked the stranger, "Please tell me, where are you from? I have not seen someone like you in my life ever." And the stranger replied, "You do not know me." He said, "I am Corona, COVID-19. The man was taken aback. He immediately took out his gloves, his mask, his sanitizer, and he was totally shocked. But then he mustered some courage, went to the stranger again and asked him, "But please tell me, what makes you so powerful? Tell me, what makes you so powerful? You have infested more than 13 million people worldwide. More than 500,000 people are dead. What makes you so powerful?" And the stranger replied, "You want to know the secret of my success? I'll tell you. It's very simple. What I do is, I do not attack a strong person. I do not attack a person who is healthy. And I do not attack a person who has got a strong immune system. I do the easy thing. I only attack a person who is weak, unhealthy, has got a weak immune system. And this makes my life very easy. And I'm able to infest the entire world so quickly. But you need not worry," he said. "You need not worry. Because you wake up early in the morning. You do your yoga abhyas after that. You know the best relaxation technique. And you also know what not to eat, when not to eat, and how not to eat. And you also know the remaining 3 steps out of 7 steps to build a strong immune system. So I will not attack a person like you. You are safe." The man was relieved. So next week, we will discuss the 5th step. Thank you. Namaste. Hari Om. Tat Sat.